All right, this is part 2 on how to repair that Craftsman gas cap that leaks constantly with the O-ring. So what I wanted to do was get a actual screw type gas cap mounted on this thing. So I started doing a little looking, and what I came across was a Kawasaki Jet ski filler neck and gas cap. And it actually worked pretty well because all I had to do was I got this this sleeve here, some PVC tubing, which worked perfect, and I slid the new piece into that and then over the existing opening, and then I filled the area right here. You see, this was actually white. I just took a Sharpie and colored it with some Weld epoxy for stuff like underwater, and it's actually solid from chemicals, doesn't react at all. And I've been using this for close to 2 years now, and it doesn't leak a drop. It's perfect. You know, regular screw cap. Nice. Hope that helps someone else. Worked great for me. Make sure you also put a tiny little screw drill hole in the top so that the cap vents. Otherwise, your engine won't run properly.